Hello everyone. To download SilverStripe, we're going to hit this copy. We're going to open up our file explorer and go to our C drive. Go to xampp, go to htdocs, right click in this window and hit git bash here. Hit shift insert to paste your command in here and just backspace this my project, and we're going to call this vlog, or whatever you'd like to call it really. Run this command and Composer will install your SilverStripe project. If you're following along on Windows, chances are you might get a Composer command not found. You need to update your system's environment variable to set Composer to your path. I'll leave a link to this in the description below. While that command installs our project, we can set up the Apache server that comes with our xampp installation. Navigate back to xampp, go to Apache, go to conf, go to extra, and open this vhosts file down here. In this file you might have 0 or several of these virtual host blocks. I'll leave a template for you in the description below. Simply paste the virtual host block at the bottom of the file and select example. Hit Ctrl-D several times until you see that all of them are highlighted, and change it to the name of your project. So for our case, it'll be vlog. You can save and close this file. Next, we will be editing the system host file. To edit your hosts file, you're going to want to go to your C drive, go to Windows, go to System32. You can type that out to move around quicker. Drivers, and etc. And you're going to want to make a copy of this by clicking on it, right clicking and dragging over to your desktop. I already have a copy, so I won't do that. Open that hosts file with whatever text editor you prefer, and you're going to get something like this. You're going to want to copy this bit here and paste it down at the bottom, and then just change this to vlog. Also add .localhost. This is going to be the same thing that you enter in for your server name. Now the reason that we copied it to our desktop is that you can't actually edit this file directly. So what we're going to do is save over a copy of it and then just right click and drag this back into the folder that was in, and then say copy here and then say replace the file in this destination. That's going to let you overwrite that file. Go ahead and start xampp now and hit start on both Apache and MySQL. They will be ready whenever they both have numbers under the ports. Once they're both ready, you should be able to open up any web browser and type in vlog.localhost. And eventually it will load the installation page. If you meet all the requirements, you should be able to just scroll down and say, we can uncheck this, install SilverStripe. So after a couple minutes, you're going to get this installation successful page. Now to access the admin of our site, we're going to type in our site again, so vlog.localhost/admin. And we're going to want to open up our project in a text editor. So I have mine open up in Sublime Text. Now again, our project is at the xampp htdocs. Now we're going to need to set a default username and password, and I'll just leave this in the description for you to paste in. So our username is going to be admin, and our password is going to be password. And this environment type dev just gives us better bug error messages, so I suggest that you paste that in as well. So just save that, refresh this page, and type in admin and password. Alright, so here we are. This is the content management system of our site. Now in the last episode I mentioned that we would be doing a build. But our installation already took care of that for us. But in the next episode, when we make changes to the database, we will be doing a dev build. So catch you then.